All right, we have another view. It's in Romeoville. It says it wants us to inspect and take photos of the exterior and vacant property, exactly as directed. You will be required to, if the home appears vacant, if vacant, walk around the exterior. If occupied, do not go in. Whether occupied, there should be no attempt inside the store or inside the property. The exterior of your vehicle should not be visible in the photos. Photos must be clear. Let's start it. Boop. All right, we're here at the property. We have a view to do. Let's see what that takes. Let's see how long that takes. Let's see what that's like. Okay. First question says, are you able to locate the property? Let's take a look. Well, guys, we saw that first question said, are we able to locate the property? I'm going to hit yes, because there's the property right there. Next, it says, take photos capturing the number on the building. Let's do it. All right. Question number 1 is asking us to take photos. So let's do it. We're going to take a photo of the house. Bow. So we did so. We got a photo of the house. Next question says, take photos of the front of the building straight on, showing the full front of the house. Can you do that? Can you walk your butt in front of this house and take a picture of it? You'll get paid. Watch me do it. Actually, I want you to physically watch me do it. Here we go. So we're going to go here. Boom. Hit the button. Make sure our pictures are landscape. We turn the phone sideways. And we're going to get a picture of the house. And let's do it. Let's hit that button right there. Easy. All right, the next question it asks, does the home look occupied? I'm going to say no. Next, it says visually inspect the entire home, even the roof. Be smart. Work smart. Can you climb a roof? All right, we're going to say nothing looks damaged. Windows appears good. The doors appears good. The garage appears good. We're going to say nothing is damaged. Next question, it says, take photos capturing the following areas: all sides of the building, landscape, or any damage issues. So let's do it. Now, this one is going to require about 8 photos. Oh, bees is coming. About 8 photos. Go ahead and get the clicking. Boop. You stay with me the whole time here. So this one, I want to make sure I get some of the grass in there. Right, so you see my visual. Go ahead, we get the address. Boop, we got grass. They said they want some landscape. Get some landscape. Don't put my car in the vehicle in the picture. I said vehicle, damn. All right, so we got the side of the building. Let's go to the back. Hopefully we don't get shot. So this is our view. And we're gonna get a side shot right here. Boop. Photo, you see it. Use it. And they want the landscape, so I'm gonna get them some grass. Boop. You see it. All right, so they asked for about 8 pictures. I gotta turn my phone sideways. Give them one more. Whoop. Boom. You got 8 to 10, you got it. Now it says take a photo of the exterior door. Boom. Walk up to the door. It says, be wary of scammers. People are out here doing weird stuff. We just want the door. Bow. We get the door. We follow instructions. Submit the picture. It's going to ask what kind of lockbox that is. You see that lockbox? Boop. Get the lockbox. Next, it's going to ask, are the doors boarded? No. Do the home entry have matching deadbolt? No. What color is the doorknob? To me, that looks gold. You be the judge. We hit gold. Bow. Save. Is the property visible? Yes, the lockbox is visible. Is the lockbox damaged? We don't know. Take a photo of the lockbox. Let's do it. Wow. We invading lockbox. And get one more picture of the door in case they tripping. Get one more, just boom. Next it says, describe where the lockbox is located. We're gonna say front door. Front door. Are there any violations? No. Any other notes? You want to leave them? We're going to say no, because less is more. Boom, we slide it. Just like that is done. We're out of here. Hey, thank you. My name is Rasan Reed, and this is the path, the quest, the journey of my life to becoming a better speaker, communicator, and a better leader. It's already done. So in the midst of me doing it, I view it. I see this gentleman has a basketball court. I want to see if I can dunk. He said I can dunk. We're going to give it a try. Let's go. Woo! We're going to try it. Let's go. Thank you, guys. This is the path, the quest, the journey to becoming a better speaker. That's who. Oh! I missed that joint, but it was almost in there. How it look? Did it look decent? Yeah. Let's try one more time. One more time. Thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, my name is Rasan Reed. This is the path, the quest, the journey to becoming a better speaker, communicator, better leader. I'll see you at the court. Oh, let's go. Thank you, bro. I made that joint. Did you get it? All right, we at another location where we have to complete a view. I've done this view before, so this is easy money. You just come back, take pictures of the house. I did have a neighbor come out one time for this particular view and said, hey, what are you doing? And you got to be professional. You got to say professional things. My first response back in my my non-Christian days or non-Christ-like days, I would have said, why the fuck you asking? I didn't knock on your shit at all. But I had to remind myself, I'm in their area. I'm next door. I'm not exactly at their house, but maybe they're not keen to seeing my Filipino-ness in this area. But nevertheless, let's knock out this view.